Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to fix disappeared courier on your Asus Vivobook in Windows 10 11.
Fix 1. Enable touchpad. Step 1. Press Windows I to open. Settings. Step 2. Go to Devices, Touchpad, or Bluetooth and Devices, Touchpad in Windows 11. Step 3. Make sure the touchpad is turned on. Fix 2. Use keyboard shortcut. Step 1. Look for a key with a touchpad icon on your keyboard, usually F6. Step 2. Press F, then that key to toggle the touchpad on or off. Fix 3. Update or roll back touchpad driver. Step 1. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Step 3. Right-click your touchpad, Asus touchpad, Ellen, or Synaptics. Update driver. Step 4. Select Search automatically for drivers. Step 5. If the problem started after an update, select Properties, Driver, Roll back driver.